Hello everyone, this is the first live development session of Robotshowdon. Obviously the code and the graphics for the game are almost finished, but the main mechanic and plotline are already done. In this game, the world is inspired by Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon. Everyone is a duelist, but instead of dueling with cards and holographic monsters, you duel with holographic robots. The main character enters a tournament where he has to be the number one on the ranking to win the game. Every enemy is created stronger than the last one. You gain credits by dueling, and a lot for winning and just a little for participating. Also, you can bet in duels as a spectator of AI versus AI to gain extra credits or lose it. In this session, we will be making a trainer NPC where you can easily duel and test your robot. In this game, your robot is modular, so you can mix and match parts to better suit your playstyle. Okay. We will enter the game. This is the Eclipse. I'm developing the game with libgdx, and the code is all in Java. This is the main menu. We put start game. Okay. Create character. Male, female, hair color, skin tone, cloth color. Let's put a name. Let's type a name. John. Create. Moment. You can move with AWSD and point with the mouse. Hide. You can talk with the NPCs. So you normally go to this NPC to get ready for a duel. Then this number is the ranking of the opponent. The lower the ranking, the stronger the opponent. Let's choose number 97, Julius. Okay. We go to the arena and we take our place in this path. And we start a duel. This is the basic robot. It has a chassis, legs and two weapons. You can zoom in and out. This is the main mechanic of the game, but this is the robot. You can mix parts like this and eagle chassis, bipedal model. Okay, now yes, I already have created a gym. Like this. So the idea here is that there will be a trainer, a robot trainer, where you can duel with him to test your robot. Now I will open the map and place an NPC right here. For the map I use the tilet. It works great with libgdx. Map. This is the map files. Okay. So this is the map. I can place the NPC directly, but I can but I can check the coordinates. So this is 78 and 160. I will take note. Okay, and we go back to left the game, and we go back to the code. The game is the game code use the entity system approach. In this, the code is divided in three sections: the components, the entity, and the system. The systems are the dynamic part, for example, the dialogues, the physics, movement, triggers. The components are just data, like the friction of a robot, stats, timers, and so on. Then there is the entity, which there is only one class that works for the player, the bullets, the robots, and all you can see in the game, except the map, the terrain. So we go to data, areas, and the area 0 here we use the builder pattern. In this we save all the data of the NPC in the NPC builder object. Then we pass this object to a factory using the factory pattern, and this factory will instantiate the NPC in the game when we run the game. So I'm going to duplicate this. This is a vendor, but now it will be a trainer. And this GameData.NPC trainer is a enum is a constant. NPC trainer we change the name. And this, okay, so X, Y is the position, X 78, and Y, instead of typing the Y directly, I use 1199 minus the Y, because the Y axis is inverted. The ID NPC trainer, this is no longer used, but it's here. I created a string, a pool of names, so we choose one random, one last name that's random, the age, there is adult and teen, male, the tint is the skin color, click indicates if the player can interact with it, vendor if it sells objects, and false. In transit, This variable this is a flag, so if it is true, the NPC will roam around the area. Hood, well, in this is so the NPC have a hood over the head. Profession, this is market. Let's change to duelist, and score indicates the strength of its robot or the difficulty level. Let's put 300. Now we have the NPC build trainer, and we go here. This is another builder object. In this case, city builder. This is for the map. So we add the NPC builder to the pool of NPCs. And we add here. Now we can play the game again and see the NPC. Now we can go start game, create character, create. We wait a moment. And we go to the NPC. Let's see. Oh, nothing. The NPC is not here. Okay. Okay, this is the number of NPCs. 100 for the 100 duelists and 8 for the NPCs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10. And for the name, we are going to use trainer. Let's check the grammar. Okay, 1N. And we start again. Start game. We go to the trainer. Yeah, he's here, or not. No, he does not appear. What could it be? We try again. Maybe there is a problem with the coordinates. Start game, create new character. And let's see. Here it is. Right? Yeah, I know what's happening. Each time the player enters the main area, the common area, all the NPCs that are not vendors are randomly selected to go to the stadium. So what's happening is that the NPC is being selected to go to the arena as a spectator. So I have to add him to the list of NPCs that stays in place. And this is here. Shuffle duelist. No. Here it is. We are going to add the trainer to this list. NPC trainer. Okay. We are going to run the game again. NPC start game. Create new character. Create. And the trainer is here. Trainer Jonathan. How are you? Fine. Okay, the NPC is here. The color and skin tone of the NPC is random. There is something weird with the eyes. Okay. Now, I'm going to change the dialogue. So he give us the option to do it. We will talk to him. He will walk to this platform and we'll wait for the player to walk to this one. Then the robots will be projected here and we will fight in this little arena. Okay, so first I'm going to create a dialogue. He will say something like, are you ready to train? And we will have the option to say yes or no. Okay. The dialogue here in res dialogues. This is a Java file. Okay. So each dialogue have an unique ID, and I have them like as constants. Okay. So it's dialogue trainer. Okay, so this is a switch. Okay. This is the get dialog method. So the case, we are going to duplicate this, and the case is dialog trainer. He will say, there is in two languages, English and Spanish. So are you ready? Train. Listo para entrenar. Okay, so yes, sí. And the other option, no. Okay, button no interactive means that the dialogue is over, and button interactive on the other hand. Let's see. Okay, we copy this. Okay, we have the button and set response script. This script will trigger the action. No? Will make the trainer, walk to the platform and wait for the player to walk to other platform to start the training duel. Okay, we have the script and we will use a script like this. So by ID script, area battle arena is the current map. So this script only works in this area. And the script data. Okay, I'm going to create another script and we are going to call it start training duel. Let's check the orthography. Okay, English is not my first language. Okay, 1N. And we go. Okay, the scripts are stored commands that there will be passed to an engine. I create a script engine that parse the script and make effects in the game in a sequential manner. I can link scripts one to another, so one script make the NPC walk. When that script is finished, that carries another script that make him talk and so on. So I'm going to duplicate one of these scripts, one like this. Case start training duel, and we have a script order. First, once you talk to the NPC, we are going to set his dialogue so you cannot talk to him again. So that way, if you click the trainer again after you accept the training duel, you can no longer talk to him. So we are going to give him a null dialogue. Okay. The first parameter is the main scene. The second is the dialogue, in this case null, and this. This is the ID of the area, the dialog null, and the ID of the NPC. This NPC trainer. Okay, and after the NPC trainer is given a null dialog, we are going to add with add next script another script. So first, the trainer can no longer talk. Then we are going to move the NPC and make him walk to the area. Okay, move like this. We have to select the ID of the NPC, the X and Y axis. So X 79 and 160. Okay, the NPC trainer. Okay, let's check the game. Okay. The start training duel, we go to the dialog and in response script we use start training duel. So if we say yes to the training duel, this script, the start training duel script, will run. Let's see. Start game. Okay. Here is the trainer James. Hello. I forgot to attach the dialogue to the NPC. Okay. Now we go to with here script manager. Here we can change the dialog. Change dialog to enum dialog trainer and to the NPC trainer. Okay, let's run this game again. Run as Java application. This run and start game, create character, create. Okay, we wait a minute. Okay, we walk to the trainer. Trainer white. Okay, are you ready to train? Yes, walking. Yes. And he walked to the platform. Now, now it should be that I will create another dialogue. So if we click him again, he will indicate us to go to this platform. So he will say go to the opposing platform or path. Okay, I'm going to create another dialogue. This is dialogue trainer and dialogue trainer. Help. Okay, but this dialogue will only have one option. It would say go to the opposing platform to start trading tool. Puesta para comenzar el duelo de entrenamiento. Okay, here we only have the option to say okay. Okay. Now, but when we give this dialogue to the trainer in the script data, so first we give him a null dialogue, so we cannot talk to him while he's walking to the platform. Then we make him move to the platform, and after he moves, we are going to give him the other dialogue. Like this, we are going to copy this. Okay. Let's test this script. Start game, create character, create. and trainer Petrovic, okay, is Russian. Yeah, are you ready to train? No, okay. Are you ready to train? Yes. Okay. Maybe the dialogue should disappear in this moment, okay? Go to the opposing platform to start the training duel, okay? Okay. Button no interact. Okay, so we are going to create a script that will detect when we are in the coordinates of the opposing platform. Then the script will make both the player and the NPC to summon the robots. Okay, script. Start training duel. Maybe start training duel is not okay. So begin training duel. So to prevent talking with the NPC while dueling, we are going to give him a null dialogue. Okay, this is a chain dialogue because this is a dialogue that, like a tree, that moves you to another dialogue, no? Are chains. Okay. Then we are going to use another script. Is the dual script. The dual script take the can take the position of two players. Okay. With the dual script, we will make both the player and the NPC duel with his robots. But we have to indicate in the script in which position the robots will appear. In this case, here for the player, here for the NPC. Okay. We are going to use this. So, new dual script, ballerina, ID player, and the ID of the NPC trainer. Okay, the robot 1 is for this parameter, robot pose 2 for the NPC trainer. Okay, the player is 79 167 79 167, always 199 minus the x axis, the y axis, 79 163. Okay, so this should start the duel, but if we play this script, the duel will start immediately. We need a way to detect when the player is in position. So I'm going to use a new conditional script. So the conditional script, I create a conditional script to take parameters. So first, this is the map or area in which we work. This is the conditions, and this is the script that will run if the conditions are met. So all this goes here, and the conditions. The area mode. The first is the entity player and the zone. And the data zone is the coordinates that will detect. Okay. Player is 79, 170. So when an NPC with the ID player or the player character enters these coordinates, this script will run. And this script will run here. Add next script, new by ID script. Scripts data. Begin training duel. Okay, we're going to test this. Start game. Now we go to the trainer again. Now his name Trainer Miller. Okay, are you ready to train? Yes. If we talk to him again, go to the opposing platform to start the training duel. Okay, we go here, and yeah, the robots is the duel is started. So I can fight with this robot. Okay, this is a much stronger robot than mine. I will let him destroy it. Now, when the duel is finished, I can no longer talk to him. So we are going to make a script that will play when the duel is finished. The trainer will go back to his previous position, and I will restore the previous dialogue so we can duel with him indefinitely. And with this we will finish today's session. Okay, so start training duel, begin training duel, maybe start training and finishing would be better. And finish training duel. We copy this, finish. We are going to to make him move to his previous position, 77 and 159. We're going to give him a dialogue. Trainer. That's it. So first he's going to move, then he's going to get his new dialogue. Okay, but when we will run this script, when the training duel is over. So this is the duel script. So, but we're going to do two versions. One when the player wins, another when the trainer wins. So first, if team 1 or the player wins, we're going to call by script. Finish training duel. And another when the trainer wins. So victory and defeat. Okay. In victory, the trainer will say something like "You talk script the NPC trainer say new string Okay. Congratulations. Then he will say it for 4 seconds. Then the trainer will move, and after that he will change his dialogue to the previous one. So victory. Then you are going to do one for defeat. Defeat. Better luck next time. Keep improving. suerte próxima continúa mejorando. Okay, this is just to make more obvious to the player if he win or lose the duel, and we are going to test this script. Okay, we go to the trainer Allen. Are you ready to duel? Yes. We go to our position, and okay, I will try to win this duel, but I don't think it's possible. No, I lost the duel. Better luck next time, keep improving, and if I talk to him again, he's ready for another duel. Okay, now I will try to win the duel. I will change my robot parts. Okay, I will buy the weapon. Okay, not here. I will sell some of this. Okay, a flamethrower. I will buy a flamethrower and this. This is a modifier. It's like a chip that improves the weapon. So it transforms the flamethrower into a fireball thrower, adding 0.5 of damage and range, obviously. Okay, because I don't want my robot to look plain white, I will change its color, maybe dark, a secondary color yellow. Okay, the same with this part, and we are good. I will talk to him again. Yes. Okay, the player move a little. Okay, here is my robot, and it's much stronger. Okay, I win. And he said congratulations, and he goes back to position. Okay, this is all for today. This could be improved. Maybe we can have more trainers for different skill levels. So when you progress in the game, you can train with different people. No, maybe 3. One weaker than this one, and another one stronger. Okay, thanks for watching, and this is all.